My name is Joseph Munyaneza. I'm a research entomologist with USDA ARS at Yakima Agricultural Research Lab in Wapato, Washington. My main assignment is to work on insect vectoring potato diseases. I have been involved with zebra chip research since 2005. In 2011, we had a couple of projects, and one has to do with the impact of a potato salad and zebra chip on the potato seed quality. The way we did this, we basically selected infected potato tubers and planted them to see if they're gonna germinate and grow. And what we basically ended up was that if the potato tubers are infected with a zebra chip, they basically do not sprout, and if they do, they produce hair sprouts, which result into weak plants. But surprisingly, these plants don't have any zebra chip or the bacterium. The implication is that basically these potato tubers infected with zebra chip do not contribute, at least significantly, to the spread of a disease, which is a good news for the potato seed industry. The second project we have been working on in 2011 is to help screen new potato varieties to see if we can identify lines which are resistant to zebra chip. Last year we did screen about 105 entries, potato selection for zebra chip, and we were able to conclude that at least about 30 lines had some kind of resistance or tolerance to zebra chip. We did repeat the experiment in 2011, and what we found out, basically you have a dozen of these lines look promising and will more likely be used to come up with resistant varieties against zebra chip.